أيا من يدعي الفهم إلى كم يا أخ الوهم تعبي الذنب والذم وتخطي الخطأ.
الحمد لله رب العالمين، ثم الصلاة والسلام على أشرف خلق الله محمد بن عبد الله وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. أما بعد، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome everyone. Marhaban bikum. This is our first lesson in this book, the book Durusul Lughah Al-Arabiyah. Durusul Lughah Al-Arabiyah. So you are about to learn a very important word and simple word in Arabic language and how it can be used. So the word I'm talking about is Haadha. What is the meaning of Haadha? Haadha simply means this, and it is used to point to things that are near us. So a masculine item that is close to us. So that is what we use Haadha for. Haadha, this. So that is the meaning of Haadha. Okay? When we say masculine item in Arabic language, masculine item is not restricted to a male only. So baytun, a house, masjidun, a mosque, babun, a door, so and some other things. So they are also considered as masculine item in Arabic language. Okay? So Haadha. So if you want to say in Arabic language, this is a house, you say Haadha baytun. Repeat after me. Haadha baytun. Haadha baytun. So this is a house. This is a house. So when you want to say this is a mosque, you say Haadha masjidun. Haadha masjidun. Haadha masjidun. This is a mosque. If you want to say this is a door in Arabic language, you say Haadha babun. Repeat after me. Haadha babun. Repeat after me. Haadha babun. So Haadha simply means this. So, and it is used to point to masculine things that is close to us. A singular masculine things that is close to us. So now you can look around you, any item that you can see. So, and you want to say this is like, this is my pen. This is a pen. You can say Haadha. Then the name of the item, you say Haadha qalamun. Okay, Haadha simply means this. So, and if you have a bag or a phone around you, and you want to say this is a phone, just say Haadha phone. Haadha phone. So I'm just using that as an example. So Haadha simply means this. Haadha masjidun. This is a mosque. Haadha babun. This is a door. Haadha baytun. This is a house. So Okay. So the next item, which is Haadha kitabun. Haadha kitabun. Haadha kitabun. Haadha kitabun means this is a book. Haadha kitabun. This is a book. Repeat after me. Haadha kitabun. This is a book. Haadha qalamun. Haadha qalamun. This is a pen. Haadha miftahun. Haadha miftahun. This is a key. So a key is called miftahun in Arabic language. Then if you want to say this is a key in Arabic language, you say Haadha miftahun. So you write the Haadha, this. So it's what you are going to pronounce first. You say Haadha, then the item that you want to point to. You say Haadha miftahun. So if you want to say this is a pen, you say Haadha, then you say qalamun. Haadha qalamun. This is a pen. So let's move on to the next item. Haadha maktabun. Haadha maktabun. This is a desk. Haadha maktabun. This is a desk. Haadha maktabun. This is a desk. Haadha sarirun. This is a bed. Haadha sarirun. This is a desk. Haadha kursiyun. This is a teacher. Okay? Before we move on to the next word, mudarrisun. Mudarrisun is what we call a teacher in Arabic language. If a male teacher is mudarrisun. So if you want to say this is a teacher, can you try it in Arabic language? You want to say this is a teacher in Arabic language. Can you try it? Oh yeah, try it. This is a teacher. So you are going to say Haadha. So you are going to say Haadha first, which is this. Then a teacher. You say this is a teacher. Haadha mudarrisun. Haadha mudarrisun. So this is a question. This is a question. Ma haadha. So what is the meaning of ma? Ma in Arabic language. When you say ma, the meaning of ma is what? The meaning of ma is what? And this type of ma is called interrogative ma. So the kind of ma, because in Arabic language you have different type of ma. So this type of ma is for asking question. So it is called interrogative ma. Ma, can you see how it is written? Mim and alif. Mim and alif. Mim fatha alif madi. Ma is called ma what? Ma what? Then Haadha. Haadha. So I believe we already know the meaning of Haadha. The meaning of Haadha. So ma Haadha. Ma Haadha. What is this? Ma hadha. What is this? Hadha baytun. Hadha baytun. This is a house. Hadha baytun. This is a house. So, hadha baytun. Is this a house? Hadha baytun. Is this a house? Na'am. Yes. Hadha baytun. This is a house. Hadha baytun. This is a house. So, if you observe this word, hadha baytun, you will see an alif before the hadha. So it is hadha. So this type of alif that you see before the hadha, so before the hadha, masculine this, so the meaning of alif, that alif is used for asking question, and it means hadha is this, hadha is this. So that alif is also called interrogative alif. Interrogative alif. Al-alif al-istifham. Interrogative alif. Hadha baytun. Is this a house? Is this a house? Na'am. Yes. Hadha baytun. This is a house. Hadha baytun. This is a house. Ma hadha. Ma hadha. What is this? Ma hadha. What is this? Hadha qamisun. Hadha qamisun. This is a shirt. This is a shirt. Hadha qamisun. This is a shirt. Okay. Hadha sarirun. So who can try the translation of this one? Hadha sarirun. So just as I explained earlier that this hadha, the alif at the beginning is for asking question. Hadha sarirun. Who can try the meaning? Hadha sarirun. Hadha sarirun. Is this a bed? Is this a bed? La, no. So if you want to say no in Arabic language, you say la, no. Okay? Hadha kursiyyu. This is a chair. Hadha kursiyyu. This is a chair. Hadha miftahun. Is this a key? Is this a key? La, no. Hadha qalamun. Hadha qalamun. This is a pen. Ma hadha. What is this? Ma hadha. What is this? Hadha najmun. Hadha najmun. This is a star. Hadha najmun. This is a star. Okay, this is the test. Okay, this is the test. So this is where we are going to stop today. May Allah subhanahu grant us beneficial knowledge.